Let me just humor you with these beautiful poems that my wife Mirna had written some time ago. And I start with the original Visayan version. May langgam nga nanaghoy sa tumoy sa among lansunis. Taghoy niyang misilit, ambot unsay giawit. Ako siyang gipangutana, unsa may iyang sunata? Di ay, siya na naghoy, kay daghan kaayong lansunis. The English translation, a bird is tweeting at the top of the lansunis fruit tree. The bird's whistling is in high pitch. Don't know what the joyful singing all about. I asked the bird, what's the sonata of songs all about? There and then I realized the high-pitched tweeting was because of the abundance of lansunis fruits. That's the poem written by my wife, who is now 70 years old. And this one is the long range rambo, we call it. Long range rambutan because it it stays in the trees longer compared to any other fruits. Mas mahaba ang kanyang buhay at saka green pa siya, matamis na siya. Hanggang sa kanyang full maturity, siya ay mas lalong tumatamis at saka matagal siyang nananatili at hindi nabubulok sa kanyang puno. Kaya siya ay kaiba sa mga ibang prutas dahil nga matagal siyang nananatili. Ito naman yung bagong labas lang ito, just out from their shells. At yan, yung nanay ay meron pang isa siyang pinapainitan para lalabas pa yung isa. So, lahat sila ay 7. Lumabas 7 lahat. Salamat po!